Morning. It's almost 3 in the morning today, and we're off to LU. But first, we're gonna go to the pickup point. Wow, on time tayong lahat. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the orientation. Here you go. It's for you.
Oh my God!
Sorry, boys.
Thank you. For the girls that have not.
Yeah, sing it.
Wow. Thank you so much. Galing saan yan?
Vietnam.
Wow, for the important. Uy! Ako go.
Aray!
Bakit ka merong ano?
Aesthetic talaga.
It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me some of that, oh. Gonna steal your picture, just so you know I miss you. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gonna wake up, give me a pinch, yeah. Wasting time, I'm lonely, dying so slowly. Can't you come home to me? 'Cause without you days feel like months, and I've been drowning in my own apartment, driving on my own, because it's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. I'm longing for your escape. It's calling me every day. Come by my side today. I can't help myself today. It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day.
get ready for school na. School bus is here. Drop out ka na ba? Sitting with you. Good morning. Ang ating ulam for lunch. Gising na yung mga housemates.
Green tea, lassi, or chamomile.
Pero baso mo na.
Basa na, ano, baso.
Para na siguro nakastock. Kaya nga eh.
Saan ang tinating itong ni Kyla?
Ang basta! 1 point ka kay Kuya. Kuya, I nominate ka.
Yan.
Pagtapos dyan yung mga labahin, ha?
Okay po.
Tapos yung ano, yung bakuran, walisin mo na doon, ha?
Okay po, madam.
Ialis ka mamaya.
Okay,
Sige. Kakakain lang, pero luluto na ulit. Buti na lang. Buti na lang, andito ka. Alam mo yung ano, kanina kasi sabi mo ka, pangasawa.
Wala na, bukas na tayo lang kain. Yummy.
Yamas. Love. O, dito tayo, bilis.
May flash yan mamaya.
Kami yung mga fishball sa kawali. Sila yung kikiyam. I will fall for you over again. Ano, ang ganda ka mag-hairstyle, ano? Parang pan David Salon.
Ang salta, ako kaya.
Tara na, Tim! Trey! No! Kita kaya?
Parang gaya ka eh. Ano?
Oh!
yan, sir.
Ayan ka na naman eh.
Oh, bili.
Matagalan mo.
Sige na. Ano ba?
Seryoso na to. 1, 2, 3.
Si Brian! Para tayong minamother. Ano? Ulan. Para tayong minamother.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown.
Lang dito eh. Uy, ang tigas ng manok. Ay, manok.
My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs with our best movie, the movie. My, oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My, oh my, we look so
Uy,
fly.
kita mo. Got on camera, guys.
They want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just
Oh, isa pa to. Oh.
Uy, ang sarap. Our final night in La Union. Okay, so what can you say about the trip?
It's tripping.
Hindi yung kinatong beer, di ba?
Hindi ah.
Layo ah. Layo ano? Ako na ng beer. Alam niya to?
Alam niya, ano na. Malaki na siya. Acting lang pala eh. Hindi mo man ako alam. Hindi kita alam. Kasi
Kaya mo pa?
Parang napapagod.
So, ano yun? Hi. Wow! Kita dito, Aisha. Pareha sila ng panstit eh. Every panstit. Tagal ah. Pakiside to side yung video ni Harry sa kanyan. Harry, nasa akin ba yung video? Wow, what's that? What's that? Ang ganda niya. Kaya nga eh. Ikaw naman. Feeling nasa music video naman to. Iyan o. Sana all. Easy lang. Easy lang. Sakay kayo.
Girl dinner ka, gano'n. Ano yung order mo? Ayan lang.
Oo, diet lang. Diet lang.
Diet lang.
Baka hindi ka sanay.
Uy! Anong nangyayari?
Goodbye. Sleeping time. Sleeping time na talaga siya.
Nakapajama tayo.
Sleeping time na talaga.
Same pa yan.
Good night, Brian.
Good night, kuya.
Ona. Transition.
Good morning. Siya gawa niya. Ang aga mo magluto ah. May paghalo. Ay!
Dito ka sa gitna. Kikis na tayo doon. Ayaw mo? Sige na.
Si Brian. Brian! Bigay daw. Baka mamaya.
Kunin ka. Wow, may paano dyan na may patari. Up. Up, mali. Up, todo bigay. Bye, guys!
Para na kayo. Para sabay-sabay na tayo. Ito na yun.
Napaka-intense pala ang kinito. Hi, welcome to Kapjan. Hey! Kapjan, hey! Change outfit. Oh! Uy!
Pero tayo lumabas.
Kapastos, ano?
Video ka. So ito po yung
Pwede na.
mabuhay. Our garden restaurant. Table for how many po?
7.
Sino yung isa nyo?
Respeto naman sa tunay na video. Respeto sa tunay na binibita to.
Kumusta naman yung paa mo?
Laban siya ngayon.
Nasaan si Mikay? Asan siya? The boys. And the girls. No way. Sige, hanggang bukas tayo dito guys. Tingnan natin. Kamusta? Masaya? Masaya. May boses ka pa? Oo. Kanina ka pa tumitili eh. Okay. Look at my new jorts. Lagi-lagi umaawit mula kusina.
It's giving out night. nararamdaman.
Wala siyang pakialam.
Very nonchalant.
Natin yung ibang housemates. Are you ready na? Ngayong gabi ba? Ang pag-alis ng 7 housemates. Ano masasabi niyo sa eviction night natin? Atin na siya? Ikaw? Sa tingin mo may pinakamaraming violation?
Si Justin. Isisi natin lahat kay Justin.
Okay. Ilang points for Justin?
Isang point. Isang point.
Isang point for Justin.
Kanina yung 2 points. Ay, hindi ba? Sige, 2 points kay Justin. Sa akin,
Ikaw? Ano sa...
1 point. Itong kumakain dito. Sa akin.
Bakit?
Kuminumura na po.
Meron tayong footage niyan. Ikaw?
2 points para kay Brian.
Uy!
Kasi nonchalant siya.
1 point para kay...
1 point para kay... Para sa'yo.
Uy!
Nonchalant ka rin.
Bakit?
Kasi OA ka.
Uy!
OA ka pa.
So, saan kami lulugar? Bawal maging nonchalant, bawal maging OA. Kanino mo ibibigay yung 2 points mo?
2 points.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi siya makainom.
Yan, 1 point para kay...
Kay Justin. Kasi siya mo pinapainom ka na pinapainom.
Ito talaga. Okay, wala pa tayo makukuha ang opinion niya.
Uy, hindi mo siya na...
Ay,
nagsalita.
Ikaw sige, 1 point para kay, ano? Sige, okay na daw yun. Okay na daw yun. Ito, 2 points para kay Brian. Kasi, laging nasa toilet. Uy, tain-tain na kami. Ito, 1 point para dito. Ay, gising ka na. Feeling mo, anak mayaman ka. Ay. Fictionalize na.
3 points mo. 2 points and
2 points and 1 point.
3 points ko doon sa nagbibideo.
Sino ba yan?
Yung nagbibideo na yan, sasapakin ako paggabi.
Bakit?
Susumo ko yan kay kuya.
Yun na yun? 3 points na yun?
3 points ka.
Sinayang mo. Sinayang mo. Ito ang proof. Anong oras na?
nakapunta na tayo lahat.
Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin sa toilet si Brian. Kumakain na. How do you feel being in the outside world? How do I feel about being in the outside world?
Wala, doon sila sa likod.
Hoy! Ano nang feeling mo? Being sad? Why?
Kasi I have to work tomorrow.
Kala ko ma-miss mo kami.
And then that.
Oo eh. Wala ka bang padayan ng ito? Naubusan. Naubusan,
I speak rather than
Kayo na bahala mag-interpret na. Kain na.
Wait lang. Oh, Pa?
Sabay na dyan, sabay.
Ingay!
Manong tayo ng Mexico, ganyan na kayo. Bakit kaya kaunti?